guys, I used to own a 2019 Santa Cruz Chameleon, and I really missed riding a hardtail bike for some reason. So I decided to let go one of my full suspension bikes, and the market right now is really good, so I was able to sell it above retail price. So that money I put it towards this new 2022 Santa Cruz Chameleon. I got this online from evo.com, and I just love ordering online because opening the box and getting some freebies inside here the box is kind of fun. So right, let's open this box and assemble this bike. Alright, here it is. I'm really excited how this one turns out. So what I like about ordering online is you get some free stuff here. This one is the front fender from Evo. It comes with the cable tie, and another one here. I got some, what do you have here? A wedge and some Santa Cruz decals or stickers, manual, and what else? Small tools. And then what else we have here? We got the receipt. And this is how they pack the bike. It's really pretty good. It's the rear wheel is already assembled. That's less work for me. And it's well padded here. The frames are well padded as well. And I believe this is the front tire. And I got this one, the fork, and the handlebar inside the box. So this is how it looks like. Alright, I got this front tire. It's a Minion DHF 29 by 2.5. They padded the bike frame and parts really well, so it has lesser chance of scratching the bike while being shipped. Check out the handlebar. Yeah, there we go. And let's put on this one right here, handlebar. Nice. There you go. There's the glory of the frame. Nice. guys, there you go. That's really nice color. It's like the purple color. This pops out from that golden yellow frame. And here's the back and the X1 crank. Okay, and this is the rear derailleur. Time to move on to the front and put on the front wheel. So this fork is 23 millimeter of travel from Rock Shocks. So be careful not to press the front brake. Get that lock up caliper. Oh, they get some wedge already inside, so it's good. Right, front wheel. Alright, the last piece of the frame protector. There you go. Wow, look at this one. The chain guard is really nice. Alright, let's put on the pedals. There you go. $7 from Amazon. On the left side. Alright, this one is gonna tight on the opposite direction. Tighten to turn it to counterclockwise. Finally done with assembling this bike, my 2022 Santa Cruz Chameleon. So my next video, I'm gonna put some accessories on this bike. Some of the parts are still on the way, and after that, when it's done, I will take this bike for a trail ride. Alright, till next time, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.